Good day, peeps. Welcome to Jamaica News Source, a channel with the baddest news scoops and reviews. Please to hit the notification bell, like, share, and subscribe to all of those who are new to get the latest news as it drop. In today's news, we have 17-year-old boy being lured to cell phone and then rob off the phone and killed. And we have storm eating Jamaica and mashing up trees and damaging house and leaving landslides.
Badly, sir. Wicked. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, well. Right, that's a bad list there. Yeah. 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 Man's at work. See badly, sir.
The St. Andrew police are searching for a suspect in the fatal shooting of a 17-year-old boy on the weekend. DeMarco Levy was killed during a robbery on Gore Terrace. It's reported that about 1 o'clock Saturday afternoon, DeMarco and another teenager went to Gore Terrace to sell a phone he advertised online for sale. They met with two other men who pulled guns and proceed to rob them. The gunman posing as potential buyers of an iPhone Pro 11 shot and killed the 17-year-old owner on Saturday, just 3 days shy of his 18th birthday, plunging his family into mourning. The incident occurred along Gore Terrace in St. Andrew about 12:50 p.m. Guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get the latest news as it drop. Today is a stormy day, rainy day outside, so please to be safe and careful. Walk good. Those who drive, drive safe. Very, very